A little video here. We're in Mr. DIY in Country Mall. So we're at the upstairs section and they have plates, they have toys, party stuff. In every city, in every place you can find a Mr. DIY. And they got, looks like stationery stuff here. Stationery stuff on the side, both sides. Yeah. Do we need anything from here while we're here? Ems. And around this section, girly stuff, bags on that side, umbrellas, and looks like sliders down this section here. And you got your sliders, your slippers, your Crocs, and bags along this section here. Bags there, bags all going all on here, and a cute couple here shopping. And kiddie stuff. That was fun. Take it ahead. Do we need another one of those? No, I think we need another one of those. Clocks, more teddy bears, cushions on this side, well on, looks like car stuff on this side, or motorcycle stuff, I can't really tell. I think it's car stuff, it's all car stuff here, cleaning stuff for the cars, travelling cushions on this side, headrest cushions. More hats on this side, hooks on this side. Hooks. Oh, stuff for the bathroom here. Bathroom stuff is here. So you got your soap dishes, hooks, plastic hooks. Do we need anything from there? I don't think we need anything from there. Oh, you got your scrubbers for when you have shower to scrub off the dead skin. Yeah, I just bung that in there. Sorry about that. Hangers. You want the hangers? More hats. Socks here. On this side here. Bathroom stuff as well. But this is all kitchen stuff. Toilet roll holders, we've got mats for bathroom, more hooks there for shower caddy, for the shower stuff, all mats along the side. Car cover, and this side is all car stuff, car stuff, WD-40, sticker remover, that sort of stuff, car seat covers, and some straps, if you want the straps up and down, seat covers for your bike, mats for the car, windscreen wipers, plastic stools there, plastic buckets there. Oh, what's this on this side? Top Guys one. Not sure. Oh, these are air fresheners for the cars. Little screwdriver sets. spoons and forks and knives. Table mats. An apron if you want an apron. So Mr. DIY has got it all. Okay. Some plates here, some little bowls, some more bowls down there, bigger bowls. You've got your kitchen essentials here. Spatulas, wooden spatulas, wooden spoons, metal spoons, big spoons, spatulas for cooking. Got spoons there. And on this side here, you have dustpan and brushes, air fresheners for air freshener for your toilet, air fresheners, tissue, toilet brush, mops, toothbrushes if you want a toothbrush. Some more plastic essentials here, more mops. On this side you've got little brushes for scrubbing your bathroom, scrubbing your bath, sponges, scourers, metal scourers, cups on this side, glasses on this side, sponges for your bathroom to clean your bathroom, for your to clean your dishes. What's this? Oh, sponge holder. Water bowls. Array of water bowls on this side here. We'll come through this side here. We have, oh, just in case you get angry with your husband, you want to buy a knife to kill him with. Little scissors, ice makers. Oh, you got a price checker there as well, and some rags, some toothpicks, virtually everything they've got in there. More rags here. We need these rags to start hot in the Philippines. You need something to wipe the sweat off your head. Oh, they've got ironing boards here as well. More plasticware, ironing boards, as I said, pots and pans that for this for baking. And on this side here, you got frying pans all along here. And this section here you got cups all the way along with glasses as well. And you got some glass jars up there as well. Frying pans, all different sizes, and you got a wok, spatula, oven gloves. Who doesn't need oven gloves? Jars for storing stuff in. More jars. More plastic containers all the way along here. Sort of like Tupperware stuff. More here. We've got some glasses here. Over there. More Tupperware stuff. And look for juice. Have I missed anything? I'm not sure if I missed anything. We're going to go around and we'll check. We've been to this section already, the sauces. We've been to that section already. We've been to that section already. Oh, we haven't been to this section here. Sandals. Flip-flops. If you like your flip-flops. Children sliders. On this side, curtain poles. Shower curtains. Shower curtains. Clothes brush, all children's sliders along this side, and adult sliders as well. More little bits of bobs, decor stuff here. Doing that already. Seen that section already. And there's the best. And we haven't been to this section here. This looks like a sports section here. So you got all your badminton bats here. And this side you got calculators, crayons. There's like stationery stuff along here. Some more sweat cloths, tea towels, sports stuff, dartboard, badminton bat, like I said. You got a grippers if you want to do your strength. Yes. Go around back around this side. Oh, here. We've been around this section already. Oh, these are small little trays for putting your pots and pans on. Yeah, nice. Little toys again. And little diary stuff. So what we're going to do, we're going to finish a video here, then we're going to go downstairs and we're going to cover the DIY stuff. Right, so I'm now downstairs in Mr. DIY, and you got all your bathroom stuff here, your sink, your taps, hoses, everything for bathroom and kitchen. Yeah, we'll check out this section here. Oh, we got all doggy stuff. Don't know what that's for. Right, this is all pet stuff along here. All pet stuff in this row here. You've got your bowls. You see. And along this section here, we have all chargers, charger leads, waterproof bags, screensavers, leads. And we come to section here, we've got a section of drills, more charging cables. Along here we've got some working boots, some silicone, mastic oil, you've got the guns as well. Along here you've got all handles. This side you've got glue, hard hats, more handles, numbers, hinges, Wellington boots, padlocks, all different array and different sizes of padlocks here, different hinges, locks the doors. Obviously we started here, we've got taps on this section here, padlock, handles for doors, more hinges, locks, padlock, locks, hinges, bolts. And this section here, we've got cable ties, Stanley knives, screwdrivers, spanners, chisels. You know, that's my worst one, chisels there, Stanley knives. Oh, shelf hooks. Stuff for shelves. We've got some hammers down there, some different sizes of hammers along here. Screwdrivers, pliers, drill bits, more screwdrivers, Allen keys, small screwdrivers, electrical screwdriver, more knives, tape measures, all different sizes and colours of tape measures. You've got saws down there, toolboxes. Right, again in front of you, more stuff for cars. The phones, more stuff for phones. Down here, we have more toolboxes, stuff for garden holes, hooks, all your little bits and bobs that you need for cables, for pinning down cables, nuts and bolts, sandpaper for sanders, more toolboxes on this side, and this side you've got paintbrushes, not the best quality, but you've got paintbrushes on this side. You've got some wire brushes there, spray paint on this side, more Allen keys, More spray paint, rollers on this side. Paint brushes, goggles, string, more mini rollers. Bathroom stuff obviously again. On this side you got one of the best quality sort of tools. Still got the same name on it. Brushes, screwdrivers, paint brushes, pliers. And on this section here you have stuff for garden hose. Stuff for the garden. Shower hose. On this side you got all your artificial flowers. Nice array of artificial flowers here. Gloves, artificial carpet, grass, flower pots, more artificial flowers, really nice. We like that sort of stuff. Garden hose, stuff for the garden, more artificial flowers in their pots. Little vases for putting your flowers in, vases again for outdoor, and we've got some glasses on this side. More stuff for your phone, and here more garden stuff, garden shears. Got some spades here. Oh, little garden tools along the bottom here. Yeah, so this is Mr. DIY. They like. You can find them all over the Philippines, and they've got literally everything. Oh, look, they also have ladders as well. So literally they have most things that you want from my DIY shop. Do I need to pick up anything from here? No, I don't need to pick up anything from here. Back on the paint section. Where's that paint section? Pick up 2 of these, because I think I need 2 of these, and that's all the stuff that we need for Mr. DIY. And that's Mr. DIY here in Cebu City, the Philippines, and we're in Country Mall. Oh, let's go upstairs and pay for this. Let's go back upstairs.
Taking care of this. Yeah. So the tour group, he said it.
That's good.
That's fine. Thank you. Let's go.
Go. Okay. Ah.
Any discount?
So that's a tour of Mr. DIY. It's the only video I've done today. Let's go out the outside and capture Mr. DIY. Wow. How was you spending a lot today again? Oh, gee, we never stop.
You check here about the stuffs.
They don't have it.
Wait, you like?
No, I've looked. Alright, let's go. Okay. Hold on a second. So, it's